Good morning, students. Renuka Nannoji here. Russian Revolution 9th standard we have already started and completed certain concepts. Today's concept is ideas of Karl Marx. So let us study. We have already started discussing about socialism. So role of Karl Marx is very important. So we should know his ideas. First point, Karl Marx 1818 to 1883 and Frederick Engels 1820 to 1895. These two people added other ideas to this body of arguments. It means which were the arguments, students? We have already discussed about the three group of people. One group wanted that individuals should start the cooperative society, individuals, okay, somebody should take the charge and they should start the cooperative society, like Robert Owen's example I had given you. And then other socialists, they wanted that government should take charge of the cooperative societies. And the third group, that is in France, Louis Blanc, even he wanted that government to encourage the cooperative and replace the capitalist. So these were the different ideas. So now what Karl Marx and Frederick Engels wanted to tell, let us see. Karl Marx argued that industrial society was capitalist. What he argued is industrial society was capitalist. Industrial society means, you know, students, the rich industry owners, they had invested money in the industry, but they used to get the work done from the laborers. Okay, lot of what is that, contribution was of laborers, but when it comes to profit, capitalists never used to distribute the equal amount or whatever they deserve, they never used to give. So Marx said that industrial society was capitalist. It means it will keep the money with itself, it will not divide and distribute with the laborers. Capitalists owned the capital invested in factories. Condition of workers could not improve. See here, only the rich became more rich, but the poor did not. There was no improvement in the standard of living of the poor. This already I have discussed in the industrial society and social change in that concept. But Karl Marx also was of the opinion that these people, what is that, laborers, their condition was very worst. Working hours was more, salary was less, okay, and workers have to overthrow capitalism and the rule of private property. What Karl Marx said is, workers have to overthrow capitalism. It is only in their hand. If they want to decide to improve their standard of living, their life, then it is they who have to be united and overthrow this capitalism, and also they have to overthrow the rule of private property. So this was the idea of Karl Marx, and he believed that to free themselves from exploitation, workers need to construct radically socialist society where all property was socially controlled. Marx believed that to free themselves from exploitation, workers need to construct radically socialist society where all property was socially controlled. It means he wanted the workers to have their own society. They have to construct their own society, and that society will be called as socialist society. And what will happen in this socialist society? Property will be controlled socially, it will be not controlled by private individuals. So in future this will be also called as a communist society. So he was convinced that workers would be successful, will be victorious in their conflict with the capitalist. What is this communist society then? Because I have written here communist, this would be a communist society I have written. It means the same socialist society would be a communist society in one in future. So what is communist society? It was the natural society of the future, and communism is this a form of socialism, a higher and more advanced form to pay people according to hard work. It means communism is also nothing but it is an advanced form of socialism. It is the next step of socialism where people will be paid according to the hard work. There will be no injustice done. There will be modern technology used, okay, and standard of living of the people will improve. So all these were the ideas of Karl Marx. So Karl Marx is also considered as father of socialism. So what, in simple terms, Karl Marx wanted the laborers to overthrow capitalism. He wanted the laborers to fight against private property. He wanted the laborers or the poor people or the middle class to have to form their own socialist society. So I hope you understood the ideas of Karl Marx.